Morning again, welcome to the Military Guna, aka Loeb Arsenal. Alright, so finally, Arsenal buy one centre back. Long time needed, left footed too. Now, big issue come up. First of all, he speak English fluently. He can't speak English, nothing wrong with his English speaking. Thirdly, now, here I go on now. I rewatch a match with Liverpool and Flamengo about 2 times, and I can tell you, this man is a good centre back. Aerially powerful. He's not slow as I hear people say. He's not slow. He's very quick. Now, positionally, he's very good as well. He can read the game. He's very intelligent footballer. But I can tell you, it's a good signing, a shrewd signing for Arsenal, and I respect this signing. Now, the physicality, it is there because I can tell you down in the Brazilian league they're very aggressive. Look at Martinelli. Martinelli take on to the English league like swarm onto rice. I can tell you he's very good man, and he's going to improve that defense 100%. I'm out.